a system of phonetic notation. B, D, K, L, M, R, S, T, W, Y, Z have their usual values at the beginning of a word. A is always pronounced as an absence, the French à la mode. F is in fire, I is in pet. J, S is in vision, the French déjeuner. G as in go, O as in stop. Some dialects replace the owl sound with an O or A with an I and all that stuff, but I like to be more specific about each mark making the same sound always. I know there's dialect, there's terms to put on that, but you know, E, the second A in marmalade. S with the arrow, sh in shawl. U always pronounced as in fool, R as in two O's in book. H, the Spanish I, or the German, oh, the Spanish J, or the German CH, the Scottish lock. Okay. So the letter K. H always pronounced as in home, house. Oh, the H is in house. Without the dot, home. Okay. The G, the French R, regard. A G with a dot. Ooh, that's probably not going to be remembered here. The T with the line under it, always pronounced as in thin. The T with the dot, the emphatic T as in little. Well, little, yeah, more the throat, same with the, you know, the top of the mouth, instead of the teeth. The D is in saddle. You know, that was with the dot, with the line and the spirit D. Do they mean the? The S as in saw, the Q, the plosive, velar, voiceless, strong K of the words Haid and Hadi, voice spirit, which imparts to the vowels it precedes or follows a particular guttural sound, a strong vocalic attack, marking the absence of the junction, German Nachlaut. A dash is placed on top of the long vowels, A, U, I, E, and there's different sequences of how long the vowel is in Arabic. The small letters indicate an ultra brief sound. Allah, Rahmah, or Raham. Are we not pronouncing the E? And